we are settling down now. Except for Queenie, who's not settling down. She's chewing on everything. And Gypsy's always good. Hey, Gypsy, you're always good, aren't you? Oh, it's not even Gypsy. That's why you're getting raunchy. It's Bentley. Okay, Memphis, go lay down. Good boy. Memphis. Memphis. Hey, hi, puppy. You going to sleep now? Good boy. Okay, you guys have got to stop chewing on my clothing. Come on. Get your teeth off my clothes. Thank you. You too. Over. Hey, off my clothes. Thank you. Hey, yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Off my clothes. Can you let go? Thanks. Go over there. Come on, lie down. It's a good puppy. Okay, who's starting now? Good girl. Okay, go sleep. Okay, what are you doing, Mr. Bentley? Okay, it's impossible to videotape this. Okay, who are you? Princess, come on, let's go sleep. Come on, everybody sleep. Okay, who's chewing on my backside? Hawk, is that you? Come here. Whoa, Hawk is the big guy. Hawk, where are you? Hawk, Hawk. This is the big guy. But he's really gentle, aren't you, Hawk? Okay, let's go lie down, Hawk. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay, Hawky? Sorry, baby. Good dog. Oh, good baby dog. Hawk is just huge. He's our biggest dog, but he's just a big pussycat. This is Gypsy, and she's just about the same as Hawk, aren't you? Okay, this one, however, is going to tear my shirt. You, stop. Ow! Little, who are you? Oh, yes, it's Troublemaker, Lyric. Ow, my son. Oh, Hawk, I'm sorry. I gotta stop her from biting me. Hey, you, Lyric. Lyric, listen to me. Stop. Big girl. Hey, you. And hey, enough already. Calm down. That's a good girl. Good girl. No. Good girl. Shh. No. You don't start either, Rain. Rain, are you getting crazy too? What, are y'all wound up or what? Hey. Quick. Okay, somebody's chewing on my rear end. Get out of there, will ya? Those are... Okay, I'm standing up now. God, Memphis, this is not like you to be this quiet. What's going on? You want to touch her? Memphis. Come here, baby. Come see me. What's up, baby? What's up with the baby? Hi, Memphis. Hello, you're such a good dog. Sometimes. Hey, sometimes. I think you wore yourself out today, eh? Okay, come on. Let's go to bed. You can sleep with the other ones. Watch out for Rain, though. There you go. Over you go. Whoops. There you go. Okay, Lyric. Enough. Or are you Bentley? Let's see. No, it's Lyric. I should have known. Lyric. Okay, I'm up. It's now probably like 12:30. Okay, some of them are sleeping. They're all winding down. Except for Rain and Lyric. Possibly Queenie. You tell her, Rain. She's just a little troublemaker. Good girl. Come here, Rain. Come on, Rain. Whoops. Come on, Rain. You go over in the corner there. There you go, girl. Okay, there. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. You just stay away from Lyric. She's just a troublemaker. Hey? Is she just a troublemaker? Hmm? Rain, is she just a troublemaker? There. It's okay. Good girl. Wanna go sleep? Good puppy. Yes, you good puppy. Where's that little troublemaker? Oh, maybe you're gonna be some troublemaker tonight. Oh, Lyric, lie down. Good girl. Good girl, Lyric. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think we're all asleep now. Memphis, are you still in the corner? Well, we should let your new owners know this isn't like you. I guess it's very hot in here tonight though. And we don't have air conditioning, do we? Hey? Hey, Memphis. Memphis. It's only me. It's okay. I know I keep on disturbing you. Okay, good night. Okay. It's hot. I don't think they want to be touching each other tonight. Dozer, are you having a seizure? Dozer? Seizure? Do you need some love, Dozer? Dozer, do you need love? Hey, you need some love. Hey, puppy. You do, don't you? You do. You need some love. Big lug. Dozer's pretty big too. Aren't you, Doze? You pretty big puppy? Are you a pretty big puppy? Shh. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go to sleep, you terrorist. Go sleep. Oh yeah, you're cute. You're cute. Yes, you are. You're a cute puppy. No biting. No biting. No biting. Want your belly rubbed? Hmm? Want your belly rubbed? Good boy. Good boy. Such a good boy. Hey? Are you a good boy? Shh. Go sleep. Go sleep. Oh, don't start on Lyric. Please, let's leave Lyric alone. Yes. Oh, she's quiet. He's such a good boy. Shh. Good boy. Oh, how quiet it is. Okay. Go sleep. Okay. Little rat. Okay, lights out, okay? Excuse me. Okay, Queenie's giving it up. And they're all asleep. Dozer really doesn't know what he wants to do. Okay, good night, babies. Good night. See you in the morning.